In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in GoHighLevel. To get started, sign into your GoHighLevel account and head to the payments area from your main navigation. This is where all of your billing tools live, including invoices, products, and transactions. Once you are on the invoices screen, look for the new button and select New Invoice. This opens a clean invoice template you can customize from top to bottom. Begin by entering an invoice number. If you already use a numbering convention, stick with it for consistency. Something like the current year followed by a sequential number makes tracking and reporting much easier. Next, set the issue date so the invoice reflects when you're creating it. Right after that, add a due date. Pick the terms that match your agreement, whether that's due upon receipt, net 7, net 15, or net 30. Clear dates reduce confusion and speed up payment. Now it's time to add what you're billing for. Click Add product and choose the item or service from your product list, or type in a clear description, quantity, and price so your client knows exactly what they're paying for. If you offer packages or recurring services, make the description specific. That small bit of clarity tends to cut down on back and forth later. If you charge sales tax, toggle on Enable Tax automatically. GoHighLevel will apply the default tax settings you've configured. Always double check that the right rate appears on each line item, especially if you sell in multiple regions or have tax-exempt customers. You'll also see additional options. Use these to fine-tune your document. Add a brief note for context, include a reference number your client gave you, or show a line-level discount if it was part of your quote. Keep notes short and professional so the invoice stays easy to scan. Open the Terms and Conditions section and paste in your standard payment terms. This is a great place to include accepted payment methods, refund or cancellation policies, and any delivery or scope details that affect billing. If your policy includes late fees, enable charge late fees and set the amount and timing so expectations are crystal clear. If you accept gratuities for services, turn on Include Tipping. This adds optional tip amounts right on the payment page. When everything looks good, click Save. Your invoice details are now stored and ready to share or manage from the payments area. And that's it. Your invoice is created in GoHighLevel quickly and cleanly.